Picture this, you're traveling, you're out living your life, and suddenly you get an idea for a campaign. In the old days, that meant stress. You had to wait until you got back to your laptop, log into multiple platforms, stare at a blank screen, and try to crank out copy that didn't sound flat. Half the time, by the moment you actually sent the email, the inspiration was gone, and so were the sales. I lived like that for years. The frustration of knowing my list was sitting there, my best prospects waiting to hear from me, but I couldn't move fast enough. It felt like money slipping through my fingers. So I built a solution. I connected my phone directly to my automations in the cloud. Now all I do is give my bot three things: the topic I want to talk about, the link I want to send people to, and if I feel like it, a quick video I can shoot right on my phone. From there, the bot takes over. It crafts the copy using frameworks I've trained it on. It integrates the video seamlessly. It hyperlinks everything perfectly. It adds the PS. It formats the layout. It connects to my email server. It selects the right list and it launches the campaign. I don't even have to think about hosting the video. It's all handled automatically. What used to take me hours now takes seconds. Imagine standing in line for coffee, recording a quick clip, hitting send, and minutes later, thousands of people are opening a polished professional email campaign with your video embedded inside. I can be at a beach bar in Canggu, at the airport between flights, or even sitting by the rice fields in Bali, and my entire audience gets a campaign instantly. That's not laptop lifestyle, that's smartphone lifestyle, total mobility, total freedom, and the impact on profits, immediate. Campaigns that would have been delayed or forgotten now go out at the peak of inspiration. I can capitalize on opportunities in real time, which means more clicks, more engagement, and more sales. Instead of leaving money on the table, I pick it up with a couple of taps. Here's the truth. Most entrepreneurs are chained to their tools. They spend hours on copywriting, formatting, and tech when they should be spending minutes on ideas and strategy. That's why they burn out. But when you flip the script and let automation do the heavy lifting, your business becomes light, fast, and profitable. So if you've ever felt trapped by clunky platforms, overwhelmed by tech, or guilty for not emailing your list enough, know this: it doesn't have to be that way. With the right system, you can turn your phone into a marketing machine. You can run your business from anywhere in the world and actually enjoy the freedom you started it for. Because the alternative is grim. You know, without a system like this, you'll keep wasting hours, delaying campaigns, and losing sales. But with it, you'll never miss another opportunity. You'll have the power to move fast, monetize instantly, and stay ahead of the game. That's what this automation did for me. And if you're serious about growth, maybe it's exactly what you need too.